Hey everyone, Dr. Gage here with our rehab specialist Carlos. Today we're bringing you a video of our top 3 warm-ups that we like to have patients do prior to their round of golf. These can be performed at the course or at home. They're fairly easy, very minimal equipment needed, but these are 3 things that we really like to help kind of focus on our most problematic areas for golfers that we see come into the office here, that being the hips, the spine, and then specifically the upper spine into the shoulder here. So the first exercise we're going to show you is called a can opener. This is going to help open up that mid back here as well as into the shoulders. So you can do this standing or kneeling. Carlos is going to go ahead and do it kneeling here today. So we just have a very light resistance band. You can use a band or just use this open armed here. And Carlos is going to stabilize on his left side here and open up to the right, pulling that band across. And as he does that, he's opening up the thoracic spine and the shoulders here, and then he's returning to his normal position. This is a great one to do 1 to 2 sets of 10 repetitions there. That's gonna help you free up that rotation in your backswing prior to getting onto the first tee box there. So the second exercise we're gonna do here is for our deep hip muscles here and some of our rotators of the hip. So whether you're sitting at home or on the golf cart there, we like to pull one hip up and across here, and then keeping a neutral spine, Carlos is gonna lean forward and hinge at the hips, very similar to like a deadlift type of movement. And he's gonna feel that open up on his glutes and those external rotators. We really like this one to help with some of that lower extremity joint motion there and mobility throughout the soft tissue, help get us ready to be able to transfer that force up from the ground when we start our downswing there. So our third and final exercise here is we like to take a club here. It can be any club, typically a longer club does better. But Carlos is gonna go ahead here, he's gonna hold this over his head here. And now from this position here, he's gonna go ahead and do some lateral bends to both sides there. This is gonna help free up that mid-back mobility as well as the low back there as well. He then is going to hinge at the hips forward, similar to when he was seated. And keeping that open, he can now turn slightly, mimicking that backswing there, which can help free up the mid-back as well. That's another one that's great. All of these can be performed 2 sets of 10 repetitions there, and that's just a great baseline to help get the body ready to go hit the ball on that first tee. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're always here. We're happy to help. Take care and good luck in your next round.